my gardening friend. Look at these figs. Aren't they wonderful? You can see some of these actually are eaten by birds, and maybe some ants got in there. They love to do that when the figs are ripe. I don't mind sharing them with the birds a little bit because there's a lot of figs up there. I'm gonna bring you in close to the tree. We'll see what's hidden in there and eat some of these for breakfast. This tree is covered with figs. Look at this. Look at these figs all over it. Oh my goodness, look at that branch there. There are tons of little figs. And when they start getting ripe, they start turning a little bit pink. And they start drooping, and then they'll get soft, really soft when they're ripe. This is probably a Celeste. I just got a cutting from someone. This is my most prolific tree, probably because it's in a really good spot in my yard. It's catching all that morning sun. Look at that morning sun it's catching. But look at all these figs. They are all over it the whole way up. Lots and lots of figs. Look at this branch. Look at all those figs. I love it. And sometimes I was going to show you how these figs are hidden. See, this one is starting to plump up. Starting to get a little juicy. But the whole tree, what is it? Probably more than 10 feet tall. Probably about 12, 13 feet or so. And then there's lots of figs on these lower branches too. I'm gonna have to get a ladder to pick those ones that are way up there. But I wanted to show you. I know there's one in here because I saw it from the other direction. They've got a, I see it. See it there? No, you don't, because it is behind this leaf right here. Look at that. There is a beautiful plump, ready to pick fig right there. See how soft that is? And see how the ants are already starting to get on it. Usually just blow the ants off of it. Looks like a bird started eating it there. But that is gonna be delicious. Here's another one right on the edge. It's starting to get ripe, but that one is still pretty solid. So if you eat them, if you pick it and try to eat it like that, they actually taste pretty terrible. They're not sweet at all. So you have to let them get ripe so they're nice and sweet. I love my figs. I love my figs. I don't think I'll go with that. All right, so let's turn the camera around and we'll start eating some figs. All right, here's the one that I just picked. That is so good. Let me get some more over here. Okay, so this fig is actually from another tree, but it is, I picked it and it got all squishy. So it is actually nice and ripe and sweet. I'm gonna have some good fig harvests this year. The tree I got that from was just covered with figs as well. If you want me to show a video of that fig tree, let me know in the comments, because that one is a JH Adriatic. If you're enjoying my videos, go ahead and give it a like and go ahead and subscribe so you can get notified and see my new videos as soon as they come out. So let me know what your favorite fig tree is in the comments, and I will see you again real soon.